Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream. To begin, understand that making cream, specifically whipped cream, is a simple process that yields delicious results. You'll be surprised how easy it is to create this delightful topping at home. We'll cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to achieving the perfect consistency. Get ready to elevate your desserts and beverages with freshly made, airy cream. Let's get started on this sweet journey. Now, let's gather everything you'll need for this simple recipe. The star of the show is cold, heavy cream. Ensure it has a high milk fat content for best results. A large, chilled mixing bowl and an electric mixer are crucial for efficient whipping. For a touch of sweetness and flavor, consider adding a bit of powdered sugar and a splash of vanilla extract. Having all your supplies ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video and learning something new, please hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content like this. On another note, just like fresh cream makes everything better, a fresh scent makes your car better. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It's a game changer for your daily commute. You can find the link to Little Trees and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. The magic happens during the whipping process. Begin by mixing your cold, heavy cream on a low speed to avoid any messy splatters. As the cream starts to thicken, gradually increase your mixer's speed to medium-high. Watch closely for soft peaks which hold their shape but gently flop over. For a firmer texture, continue whipping until stiff peaks form, standing straight up. Be careful not to overwhip or you'll end up with butter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.